Yes, I sold my FileCoin as the title said. Welcome back to Crypto Wealth channel, guys. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about the supports and target for the FileCoin and why I actually sold the FileCoin. Now, let's begin. Just before I hit the record, I sold my FileCoin. One of the reasons for that, ladies and gentlemen, I told you that we went over my target that I already told you where FileCoin should at least correct a little bit deeper towards 20 exponential moving average. FileCoin did not listen to my target, of course, and after we went even more parabolic, I did sell my FileCoin because this could prolong my correction for about 7 to 8 or even more days before I can see those kind of gains again. What I'm talking about is if you turn off logarithmic chart, what you can see is something very dangerous and incredible how big this correction will be actually. One of the reasons for that is I discussed in many previous videos not just about FileCoin but about many coins. Whenever the price is so much and so fast overextended from any sort of a moving average like this yellow one over here that you can see, which is 20 exponential moving average, that moving average will cause the price to crash towards that line very violently and retest the same level very violently, and most probably is going to break. What I'm talking about over here, one of the example, if we zoom in, is over here when we had the first wave of FileCoin on the daily chart. You can see that was 10th of February, actually 9th of February, after big overextension. For this price over here, this was way too much, 100% or more. You can see for a long period of time we were away from 20 MA, and after that price gave back all gains to the market over here below this line over here. So this is what I'm talking about. What price will most probably do in the next days or even weeks is going to come back and retest this yellow line over here very violently and most probably break it. And I don't want to give market back my gains when I'm already plus to 321%, and I can put this money into some coin that has even more opportunities to give me maybe such a big gains as, again, for example, 300%, because it's less likely that the FileCoin will make 600% so fast as some other coin can give me if it's on the beginning. Now, if you don't understand what I'm exactly telling you over here, if we switch over here on the coin market cap, you can see that the FileCoin went already on 12th place on the coin market cap, which means it has market capitalization of almost $12 billion. It's less likely that this coin is going to have 33 or even 36 billion dollars than some coin from 10 million to 40 million, if you understand what I'm saying. This is the reason why I sold FileCoin, and I'm going to enter most probably the another coin with my 320% gains and push even higher. So this is what I'm telling you. Whenever you see this risk reward ratio reducing, make sure to take some profits. You're in the market to actually take some profits, not to lose them. So make sure to always think about your exit strategy. Many people are missing their exit strategy and exit point. So I think this overextension over here when we turn off the logarithmic chart is way too big, way overextended, way overhyped, way over FOMO. So this is the reason why I sold. Now, nevertheless, I'm going to give you the targets where FileCoin may retrace. We may actually retrace now because, as you can see, we hit $200 approximately over here, and that is psychological level. So many traders are going to watch this level to sell, as I did on 187. I didn't manage to catch the top, and that's okay. You can never catch top so easily, but nevertheless, $200 is clearly the resistance right now. If you switch on the 4-hourly chart, you can see very good resistance and star over here. This star gave me actually the signal over here to sell my holdings over here, and this is something that is dangerous when you see the bulls peak over here and then fast reject over here. This is the reason for me to actually sell. Now, it doesn't mean that the FileCoin is not going to go up. Of course, it could go up, but I'm satisfied with my gains, and this is the reason why I actually sold. Now, if we get back on the logarithmic chart, you can see that the next level of resistance, if FileCoin can push above 200, could be 270. So make sure, if you are still going to hold, make sure to watch this level over here because of this peak when you had a very big crash, and that big peak with this week, 15th of October 2020. This is going to be the next target. Beside the target, we're going to discuss about the level of support if the price starts crashing into the wave 4, for example. Where is the stop, right? The biggest and the most important level of support for the FileCoin right now is 96 over here, this green line. This is going to be most important level of support if the price starts crashing so badly to the downside, and believe me, this is possible because of that wave 4 correction that could occur any moment or any week, any day whatsoever. Why? Well, I'm about to show you something very important. If you take the Fibonacci level, you can just draw from this peak over here all the way to the last part over here. What you can find out over here is that the 0.618, which is one of the most important Fibonacci level on Fibonacci scale over here, is laying down exactly on $96, approximately 98 maybe. So this is the reason why you need to observe this level. And the next level of support, actually the first one, if price starts crashing now, for example, is going to be 0.786, which over here stands on $153 per one FileCoin. Another huge signal over here is on the weekly chart. Also, you can see that the 20 weekly exponential moving average does not exist almost over here. When it comes to the current price over here, it's way overextended, and this is one of the signal also for me to actually sell it. If we switch back on the daily chart and see the MACD, you can see that the MACD is, well, almost to the peak over here when it comes to overextension. So this is pretty much for me good signal to take my profits, and that's it. Now I think this is it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you like this sort of content, and till the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.